Hello guys, how are you all? Hope everyone is fine and doing great. And today we are going to learn a Revit, okay? So I've got my Revit 2024 installed in my laptop. As you all know, Revit is a BIM software and BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. So, and since this is a little bit of heavy software, so it is going to take a time to start. Maybe it depends on the computer processor too. Mine is a gaming laptop, so it is taking a little bit of time. So here it opens, and as you can see that this is the starting point of the Revit, and in this Windows panel here we can see the recent files which I created earlier or which I worked on. And if you are opening the Revit for the first time, then in the in this place of recent files you guys will see some of the models of the samples which are already inbuilt in the Revit, and this is the Revit files. And see in the extension building site.rvt, and that rvt at the end indicates that it is a Revit file. See here too, and the template RTE is .RTE is written at the template extension at the end, okay? And this is .rfa, this is a family. So and these are the options from where we can access to the family. And for now on, let's not open any of the earlier models, but um, let me show you how to open a new model. All right, so to create a new model, go to new, and as you can see that there are different template files. Template file provide us the platform uh, from where it will be easy to access the inbuilt functions. So here are the two options. Imperial, it is in the unit of the feet system, and metric means meter, millimeter, centimeter system. All right, so imperial means inches and feet. So let's do browse and let's see what the options are available here. So while I browse, I can see that English imperial system is here, and I'm going to choose default multidiscipline in imperial system for this tutorial session. So depending on our need, one can choose commercial building construction kind of template, or construction normal construction type, or mechanical type, plumbing type, precast, residential, structural analysis. So if we pick the structural analysis template, then it is obvious that the Revit template will provide us more access to the structural elements which we will require, like bridge designing or building designing. So uh, so it is in English imperial means feet and inch system. So if you guys want to work in the metric system in meters centimeters, then you can just go to back this option, then see above the imperial you can see English, so click English and you can work on those templates earlier in the default multidiscipline metric system. So I'm just working on the uh, Revit architecture now, not in the structure, maybe in the some other videos. So for now on, I'm working on the architecture Revit, and that's why if you guys want to work in the metric system, then you can work in the metric system by double tapping here. But for now on, I'm just choosing the English Imperial and uh, default multidiscipline. All right, then so let's double click it and open see .rte. Here earlier in this files .rvt was there, right? And those were the Revit files. So when I open this template .rt extension template and then later save it, and this will also be saved in the form of the .rvt. in the form of the Revit files. Okay, so let's open the files, and here the multidiscipline template platform has opened, as you all can see, and it is loading. And you guys can see there is a properties tab on the left and project browser tab on the right. In case if you guys cannot see this project browser tab, then let me show how we can bring that project browser tab. Okay, so go to view and then user interface in the windows, and then you can see, just click on this project browser, then the project browser will appear. According to your convenience, you can put it here or here. And in case if you forget, or if this properties tab is not appearing, then just go to architecture, click anywhere like wall or somewhere, then properties will come, then go click the properties, and then the properties, this tab will also come. And let me have my mouse. Alright, I think it is easy to use the Revit software using the mouse, similar to that of the AutoCAD. You guys remember AutoCAD, right? AutoCAD is just easy to access using the mouse. So here I've got my mouse, and as you guys, let's escape it for now. And this is on this 1A203. So the label is already written here. This is the center grid, and we can find this in the sheet below. You guys can go to the project browser here and just open the sheet, and you guys can make it larger here. Yeah, go to the project sheet and see A101. These are the architectural floor plans, floor plans views. All right, those already named. These are the inbuilt in this template, so we can see these architecture floor plans already in the sheet. And A203, see A203 is the elevation. Sorry, this A201, A202, these are the elevations. All right, so the Revit automatically creates the front view, either it is the front view or the back side view or the left side or the right side view of the 3D structure uh, using this option automatically. Okay, so if we create any object here, say a wall here, then like this, and then see unconnected and 20 feet height is the height of the wall. All right, if we go here in this, suppose this side view A203. All right, A203, if we go here, then we can see that this is one of the some east, west, north, south, right? So this is one of the views of the building. All right, it is the left side. Sorry, it is the right side view of the building. So we'll know about this later on. So these are the elevation grids. All right, and see, this is the scope view window, and this scope view window, what it does is that within its boundary, whatever we create lies inside here, and this and the outer exterior, this boundary limits the area of the scope. It is easier to visualize using the 3D, and let's see the 3D option here. See, this is the wall, rectangular wall which we created earlier, and this is the scope option, scope box inside, and this is the outer limiting box. All right. So these are this, and we're not going in detail about the walls. We'll go about these in details in later videos. And so these are the multi-discipline default template. Suppose if you guys want to work in a template that doesn't have but any of these grids, your elevation grids, Then what you can do is just go to new, alright, and then sorry, file, just go to file and new, and then open project and just click none, alright, and then okay. If you imperial or metric, whatever you like, you can open and say suppose I want to work in metric platform, then this is going to open a new template for me. So it is like nothing is there and I can start my own project. So what I want to say is that it is easier to work in one of these templates, and if you work in a company then they will have their own template, because in the template provided by your company they will have families like doors, windows, different families according to their need. Different families can be seen there. So these are the different families. These are provided default, right? These are provided default by this template, right? So running unit is just suppose here. If I want to place a chair, then let's say I want to place the chair here. See, so one of the advantages of this beam Revit software is that this is coordinated. All right, so whatever we put in the 3D, it is automatically put in this 2D model also. All right, so what I can do for now is so suppose there are two tabs open, and if I want to open these two tabs at a time, then what you can do is that tile views and see automatically one is the 3D view and another is the plan. Right, so suppose if I want to get, so suppose let's see, suppose if I want to move this option, then click it, yam o, so yam option is chosen, and sorry for that, what you go to modify to, and take this move option, click it, and do enter, and then specify the point using which you can move it, right? So once you have moved the position in the 2D, it is automatically refreshed and automatically moved even in the plan. So this is a coordinated, one of the good property of the Revit software, and we'll be learning about this software in detail in later videos. And thank you for watching this video and being with me, and please like and subscribe so that I'll get more motivated to create such kinds of the informational videos, which is very much useful when you start working with a company and start a professional life. All right, thank you very much.